Usapang Realidad. I'm Jay, and today let's talk about something real. Yung mga pagkakataon na supalpal at subsob ka na sa buhay. We all have those moments. Minsan akala mo okay nang lahat, then suddenly something happens. Failure, heartbreak, unexpected setbacks, disappointments, betrayals. Masakit yun. Nakakapagod. Minsan parang gusto mo na nga sumukoy. Mag-ayaw mo na, game over na. But here's the truth, my friend. Life will knock you down. Sorry, let me repeat. Life will always knock you down. Okay, so the question is, paano ka babangon? Sabi nga dun sa isang commercial, para kanino ka babangon? Okay, so let's talk about resilience, about how we rise even when life feels unfair. So why does life keep testing us? You ever wonder, ba't parang walang katapusang challenges ang buhay? You solve one problem, then another comes up. You finally feel okay, and suddenly life throws you off balance again. Ba to unlimited? Nakasubscribe ka ba sa isang promotion para paulit-ulit kang padapain? Pero ganun talaga eh. Life isn't a straight line. It's full of twists and turns. But maybe instead of asking bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit ako, bakit ganito, we should start asking, paano ko kaya haharapin to? Ano naman kaya yung pwedeng kong gawin para malagpasan to? Okay, so there is a myth of being strong. So lagi nating naririnig sa mga friends, family, and whoever have the concern for us. Okay lang yan, be strong. Kaya mo yan, bumangon ka lang ulit. Malalagpasan mo din yan. Full of positive and encouraging words, right? Pero sa totoo lang, kapag nandun ka sa moment na yun, those words doesn't make sense. Minsan masasabi mo sa sarili mo, ang dali lang sabihin yan para sa'yo, pero hindi kasi ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon ko. Ang hirap maging strong, maging matatag. So dito papasok yung tanong na, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng strength? Kasi most people think strength means never breaking down. Pero that's a myth, hindi yan totoo. The real meaning of strength isn't about never struggling, but it's about facing struggles head on. Harapin mo, i-feel mo kung ano man yung downer emotions na nafe-feel mo that time. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap na okay ka, hindi mo rin kailangan itago ang pain. Kasi the more na itago at kimkimin mo to, the more na mag-grow. And kapag nag-grow at naipon, that's the time na it will knock you down real hard. To the point na sobrang hindi mo nagugusto yung bumangon pa. Hi, my friend. True strength is about feeling everything. The disappointment, the frustration, betrayal, still choosing to move forward kahit mahirap. Ulitin ko. The true strength is about feeling everything. Kahit ano pang emotion yan, especially negative emotions. Pero, yung pipiliin mo pa rin na bumangon at ipagpatuloy ang buhay kahit mahirap. So, paano nga ba natin mabibuild ang resilience? Paano tayo magiging mas matatag? Ito yung mga pwede mong tandaan or isabuhay. Allow yourself to feel. Hindi mo kailangan maging okay agad. Alam mo, walang overnight remedy sa mga problema natin. There is always a due process. Let yourself process what happened. Namnamin mo kung ano yung bitterness, sadness, longingness, anything about feelings at that very moment. Huwag mong takasan. Kasi hahabol at hahabulin ka yan. At in the end, you have no choice but to face it. Next, try to find your support system, the right people to be with you during those times. Huwag mong hanapin ang lahat mag-isa. May mga tao na willing makinig sa'yo at tumulong, tandaan mo yan. And sometimes, dun sa part or sa point na hindi natin ine-expect, God will send someone to let us be reminded na you are not alone. We are not alone. And you just have to see and find that right person. No man is an island, so you are. Next is take small steps forward. Sabi nga nila yung mga baby steps, okay lang yun, kahit yung hakbang isa, hakbang dalawa, hakbang ganito, hakbang ganyan. Small steps are still steps na mag-aalis sa'yo sa sitwasyon na yun. Hindi kailangan isang bagsakan ang pagbangon. Kahit maliliit na akbang, basta tuloy-tuloy. Alam mo, you'll just be surprised one day pag lumingon ka. Ala, ang layo na pala ng naihakbang ko mula sa pagkakalugmo ko na yun. And you will be amazed sa sarili mo na nakalayo ka na nang hindi mo namamalayan. And last, redefine failure. So ito yung pinaka misconception kasi kapag sinabing failure, ang iniisip natin, wala na, hanggang dito na lang ako, ayoko na, tapos na yung buhay. Hindi. Minsan ang pagkakamali, hindi ibig sabihin na talo ka eh. Ibig sabihin lang, may kailangan kang matutunan. And time will tell kung ano yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan dun sa pinagdaanan mong yun. Alright? Sabi ko nga, in reality, life will not stop testing us. But every challenge, every setback, it's all a part of the bigger story that we are writing tungkol sa atin. Ikaw yung author ng sarili mong libro. Sabi, at alam naman natin na sa bawat libro may bawat chapter. Bawat chapter magtatapos. At pag may nagtapos, may mabubuksan bago. Pero dun sa mga bagong mabubuksang chapters, mababaon mo yung mga learnings and experiences na nakuha mo from those failures na nangyari from the previous chapters that will make you stronger in the future. So, kung ngayon feeling mo bagsak na bagsak ka, remember this. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang kwento mo. Maaring yung chapter lang yung nagtapos. Pero, magbubukas ka ng panibagong chapter. You will rise, you will grow, and someday you'll look back at this moment and see how strong you've become. Believe me when I say this. Sa bawat hurdles na pagtatagumpayan mo, na malalagpasan mo, there will come a time in the future na ikaw mismo matatawa na lang. At ikaw mismo magpapasalamat kasi naranasan mo yon at nalagpasan mo yon. Dahil hindi ka magiging kung sino ka ngayon at kung sino ka pa bukas at sa mga susunod na bukas kung hindi dahil sa mga pagkakamali at mga hindi magagandang karanasang napagdaanan mo sa nakaraan. So, ayun. Thanks for tuning in to my podcast. Again, my name is Jay. So, ito ang ating usapang realidad. Kung nakarelate ka, share your thoughts with me. Gusto kong marinig ang kwento mo. So, until next time, keep moving, keep growing, and always rise. Keep safe, everybody. Bye.